Bloom is changing the landscape when it comes to play to earn with a real utility when we talk about the memepad. And this memepad is actually increasing in market capitalization. So the Bloom token or the Bloom ecosystem is not just a roadside project. It's a project you will need to trust and take it very seriously. And if you are on this airdrop, mind very seriously, because I believe this airdrop is going to pay in less than no time. In this video, let's discuss the Bloom new quest, creators incentive, the new partnership with PAWS Airdrop, and pre-market price and price prediction. All of this in this very video. So pay attention, watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. So the first thing you need to do right now is to come to your Bloom mini app right here. And when you come here, you go to the end section. So on the end section, you will see a new quest, this smartest round one. Okay, so if you open it and you just complete this very quest by performing the task. So once you perform the task and you are done, everything here will be active for you to actually claim the Bloom points associated with this very task. So that's the first thing I want to do in this video. So all you need to do is to just complete this task right now as I'm doing. And if you want to play the smartest game, you can start from right here and start playing. But in this case, I'm only concerned about completing this very task on Bloom. So you can see I can claim this. And when this 3 is verified, I can also claim everything. And then I will have the associated Bloom points, 800 Bloom points. So don't fail to complete this quest right now. It's very, very important. 800 Bloom points will shoot your balance all the way upward. The next thing I want to talk about here is the token creator incentive. Bloom have just released a massive innovation or a new tactic that is attracting a lot of innovators right now. A lot of meme coin trading sites have not done this before. Look at this, calling all creators worldwide. Bloom is introducing memepad token creators incentives, a massive incentive program for the most innovative and result-driven meme coin creators. So if you are a token creator, you create meme token and you can hit a 5 million market capitalization, Bloom is saying that we were going to give you incentive for reaching that very capitalization. That is the first person, okay, to reach this capitalization. And this is very important. No website, no token creation site have done this before, have not seen it. And if you look at the first one here, which is 5 million market cap, and we're talking about the first person, not the first 30 or first 100, the first person to reach this milestone. And we have the second one, which is a $10 million. The third one, which is $25 million market cap, and $50 million all the way to the seventh one, which is $1 billion market cap. So if you're a token creator and you know that your meme coin is so purpose driven and it can get this kind of market capitalization, you can jump into this very reward incentive offered by the Bloom team. And if you look at the associated reward, if you look at the last one, which is the seventh one, if your token can reach 1 billion market capitalization, your reward that Bloom is going to give you is 1.5 million USDT. And if the sixth one, which is 500 million market capitalization, the reward is 800,000 USDT. And the fifth one is 250 million market cap, is going to get a Lamborghini or USDT equivalent. And the list go on to the very first one, which is 5 million market capitalization. So if you're in that category and you know that you can reach this milestone, the best thing to do is to jump on board right now, create that meme token that is very community driven, purpose driven, and then get this very market cap. You should be the first person to do that, and then you're going to get this very reward. And the Bloom team is going to definitely give you that reward. There is no doubt about if they are going to release the reward or they are not going to. Definitely they are going to do it, because all of these things are on chain. And if you go down and see the price and the criteria, because you have to read these criteria very well to be very sure that you are doing the right thing. So that is very important. So this is the best time to jump on board and start your meme coin creation and get this very incentive if you know you have the capability. The next thing is the partnership with PAWS. You see, if you are on the PAWS airdrop and you go right there to the PAWS mini app, you discover that the number one partnership on the PAWS airdrop is Bloom. And that is one of the reasons why I believe that the PAWS airdrop is going to definitely pay. And if you look at the PAWS airdrop, and if you have not joined, I will leave a link in the description of this video. Join the PAWS airdrop right now. And if you have not joined the BLUM airdrop as well, link in the description, check it out. And if you come here, you see part of the BLUM Lab PAWS just hit 50 million users in 1 month and is leading the pack in trending and the grossing chart on Telegram. Here's the crazy part. The growth is 100% organic, no quest, no boost, just straight up next level execution. And the PAWS airdrop does not really require you to be spending much time and so forth. It's just when it comes to voting that you can spend a little bit of time to do your voting so that you can get more PAWS. And if you look at this very area, you see, look ahead, PAWS has an impressive roadmap which will gradually roll out, focusing on tracking on-chain user footprint and evolving into groundbreaking social file product. So if you are not on the PAWS airdrop, or if you are doing the PAWS airdrop already, I will advise that you take this airdrop seriously, because it's going to pay in the near future. I'm looking at right now in the pipeline, PAWS and Bloom. These two airdrop are very, very on top for me. It's going to definitely pay out, especially for those of us that is taking it very seriously. For me, I believe something is cooking on the BLUM airdrop. I just believe so, okay? And if you look at this very pre-market price, before now, BLUM was 0.301, 0.301 pre-market, and it have been rising all the way to the upside. If you look at the past few days, it has added 11% increase. And this is so amazing with a token that have 100 billion token, okay, that will be in circulation. That is a max supply. And if you look at this very area right now, the pre-market price for Bloom is 0.013. This is so amazing with a token that have 100 billion. Why is it so? It's because Bloom is one of the play to earn that have real use case. Think about the Bloom memepad. It's going to drive this token all the way to the upside, and that is why if you can get this token right now through airdrop, you should be in the massive position of getting a huge return when this token will finally get that listing on major exchanges. So the pre-market price right now is 0.0134, and I believe as we approach the next coming days and as Bloom begin to unroll what they have for the ecosystem, this very price is going to still increase all the way to the upside. So pay attention to this price moving from here to about 0.02 and 0.03 before the listing. And this is what I am personally expecting because of what the Bloom ecosystem is really rolling out, and the team is really working very hard. Remember, I told you that the team have the expertise, they have the technicality, and they have the resilience to do all of this. If they really dive deep into doing research about who the CEO is and the entire Bloom team. So this is what I am now looking at. This to rise to 0.02 and 0.03 before Bloom listing. And if you look at the price prediction, personally, I am looking at Bloom to do more than $100 million market capitalization at listing. Bloom have 100 billion token. Okay, that will be the total supply, or you call it the max supply of this very token, 100 billion. So if you multiply 100 billion, let's say everything is going to be in circulation, assuming, and you multiply it by what we already have as a pre-market price, which is 0.0134. This is 1.3 billion market capitalization. So what I am expecting the listing for Bloom to start from is 0.003. That is with a 300 million market capitalization, and market will begin to move all the way to the upside. Remember, the price right now of 0.0134 is the current pre-market price, which if every token, that's the max total supply of the token, is released into circulation, and with this current pre-market price is going to give 1.340 billion dollar market cap. But this cannot be possible immediately at listing. I don't believe so. And what I am looking at is for this very token to start that listing between 0.003. Okay, that is a 300 million dollar market capitalization, and then markets will begin to move from here all the way to the upside to 0.5 and 0.8 and 0.9, giving a 900 million dollar market capitalization. But my initial stake is for this very token to get that listing at 0.003. You know that this is a very entire different project altogether when it comes to the Bloom ecosystem, because they really have the use case other than every other play to earn that we've seen in the past and any other play to earn that is ongoing right now. So what I am expecting from the Bloom team is, because the utility is already in check with several million market capitalization of their meme token, it means that they have the capability to put in more liquidity for this very token. So a 300 million market cap at listing is very, very possible for Bloom, in my opinion. So this is what I am looking at right now, and it is very, very possible for us to get that $1 billion market capitalization on Bloom when it begins that listing on major exchanges. So a $1 billion market cap means the price should be 0.01. We already have 0.0134 as the pre-market price. So Bloom getting a 0.01 price is very, very possible, even though the entire 100 billion token is in circulation. So this is very important, guys. So if you're not on this airdrop, best time to jump on board and get this token right now as free as possible. Just put in your effort and ensure you get the token before it gets to major exchanges. So the best time to take your Bloom mining to the next level is right now, when it has not getting on any major exchanges, because when that happens, it will drive this token all the way to the upside, and that means you can get this token right now from airdrop when it has not getting to major exchanges, giving you that capability to be among the first holders. And what this also means is you can make massive profits from it by just holding the token into the heat of the bull market in 2025. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now. Take your Bloom mining seriously. Do your quest, invite your friends, play the drop game, and ensure everything is running smoothly. Don't cheat the system, okay, to avoid disqualification when TGE and snapshot finally comes. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for more crypto content. And if you've not joined our Telegram channel, it is free. Check the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Join right now. Thanks for supporting this channel.